1967 442. It's a sweetheart. Black, red pinstriping, black vinyl roof, wire wheels. Owned it since 91. Put a whole whopping 7,000 miles on it in the 35 years he's owned it. Console on the floor, automatic. These cars for the next few days are all cars that are at the mega auction in Reno, Hot August nights. By the time you're seeing this, the auction's well over. But that's what a first class 67 442 looks like. And it is first class, in my opinion. I guess I'm going to open the hood. He's got it unlatched, so that means I can open it. All detailed 442 Oldsmobile air cleaner. All cleaned up, beautiful. Power brakes, power steering. Yes. Something to be proud of.